tracks on it.
Ngandu, Tango kondiresi munona na prepare. Had a nice meal for the day.
The idea really came about and it was inspired by two reasons. The first one is that we wanted to create an extension of Ngandu Festival that could live in this new world that was brought about by the global pandemic. And we had to really think creatively and innovatively to come up with something that would essentially create a platform like we did with the festival for different artists, entrepreneurs and creatives to come and showcase what they know best. Essentially, I then reached out to a few people, industry friends, acquaintances, colleagues that have the knowledge and experience and skills to be able to put or bring this idea to life. So putting the team together was quite easy for me because all, if not most of these people I had worked with in some way, shape or form before.
Yeah, I go by the name Eddie Man, and I'm the drummer of the Generals Band, and I was the music director for the Rock the Boat. Yeah, well, I got a call from the Rundu TV team about having Rock the Boat at Rundu. So he told me a little bit about it, so I told him, okay, come at my place at the studio. And so then we discuss about this, then we'll see when we start with the rehearsal and things like that.
My name is Silas, and I was the main camera guy for the production. Honestly, it was a bit crazy, like waking up at 3 a.m. because I had a music video that I was editing at the same time, and I literally just finished around 2:30, and that was like time for me to go to sleep, but then I couldn't because we had to go to Rundu. And honestly, it was a bit crazy because I've never been to Rundu before, and you know.
Celestinos Moronga. I was one of the videographer at Rock the Boat.
Easy Tentu, I'm the cameraman of the show, Rock the Boat. I started way before the show itself, before we started shooting in Rundu. We went for the behind the scene when the guys were busy prepping for the band was busy prepping. We went to Rundu, and then I was doing short cutaways. I woke up to 9 missed calls from Michael, and then realized my phone was on silence. And I never did, and then yeah.
The first stop is Otavi. This is around 8 o'clock in the morning. It's actually the first time like all of us get to actually see each other's faces because we'd woken up so early in the morning. You know, people were like literally sleepwalking when we got into the bus and stuff. So it was the first time we're all getting together now. You can tell the excitement is there. So we finally arrived in Rundu at around 12:30, and because we were running on a very tight schedule, we had to very quickly drop off everybody. The guys checked into the guest house, and between myself, Michael, and some of the production guys, we had to already get into the work of setting up the rehearsal space, as well as planning our visit to the Samsitu campsite.
As we got at Samsitu, as videographer now you have to know what are your camera angles are. I can take you, let's go. Just follow me.
Hi, my name is Rauna and I am the owner of N.Martin, we stand for Martin. We are here in Rundu dressing the M.I.Gs for the Rock Boat 2020 show. Yeah, they are dressed in streetwear, my latest collection. It's actually my first men collection. They're going to wear cargo pants and jackets, so it's going to be lit. So you're going to see how it is.
My name is Leonie and I'm the owner of Serenga Streetwear. We're here in Rundu to dress the M.I.Gs. My brand is all about streetwear. Fuck, I forgot the rope. My brand is all about streetwears.
I am chewing the drum. I am chewing the drum. Eat it, got it. Eat it, got it.
Kiyulo. Started early, now I'm heavy. Don't need a favor, Baroka chasi kuhumu no mumana guruga na ngesefa. Homba kukudira mpumba mwene wakuje nekavwele. Tura nukipo skumba zile zubali na zita tusukumba. Ya nigga bowling for days, marudeve mambunda zange. Kurugo maza hepa kuoro manibu mune kasiku. Kumba yes, nyaka satema we sitting around the fire. Fill up the cup and burn up the herb and meditating every day, nigga.
Sikire ninge, hey akorange.
Now the camera can tell you. Like you just landed from Kaguni. From Kaguni. It's dope, man. From Nyege. Turn around, give me the bag. Turn around, give me the bag.
On the production of Rock the Boat, I represented MICT in terms of technical support. We provided a rehearsal facility for the artists as well as technical equipment for the actual event itself. The recording studio that we have here is state-of-the-art. Digital, so we are within the era of industry 4.0 right now, so we are on track. Most of the software that we have here is digital as well. I run Logic Pro as well as Cubase. Secondly, I have a Yamaha digital console here. The beauty of having digital consoles as compared to the old system of analog is that everything is in one box. And then apart from that, I have Yamaha HS8s here. When I mean Yamaha, of course, you know, it's a brand name that everybody knows in the audio industry already. It was pretty challenging when you are dealing with about 6 musicians and including a band. We're talking about 9 individuals who all just want their sound to sound a specific way and they all just want to be happy with what they sound. At the end of the day, the musician is never wrong either because this is their art and this is how they express themselves.
So we met up with the M.I.Gs for the first time to rehearse with the band, so it was quite challenging a little bit for the first time, because it was their first time also to perform with the band and things like that. So it was quite challenging at first, but later things just came together, so we started to kick it.
Something we do 1, 2, 3. You must make sure my kick is okay, his keyboard is on nice level and everything. Yeah. So let's go for a smoke, man. Yeah. Hola, bro. It's not connected yet. Oh.
One speaker on that. Yeah. Not anything more. But the boat thing, I'm very excited to see that scenery, man.
What they told me, man. He's telling you dreams.
Yeah. So you want us to just go to Ngandu? We haven't plugged in anything.
They say this machine, you just put it on the mixer, connect, it captured all the sound.
Yeah, but
so that means every fine detail will be.
Yeah, we need to be able to have it.
Just like.
Okay, say something.
Are you going to give me out to Ngandu?
Yeah.
Are we getting this?
Yeah. Yeah. See tomorrow, so I pray for the Lord to keep my soul, so I try to keep a smile on my face through these trials. Yeah. Man, I don't know. Hope I'm gonna see tomorrow, so I pray for the Lord to keep my soul, so I try to keep a smile on my face through these trials.
Okay, so on the day of the show itself, Saturday, wow, that was a very sunny morning, by the way. We got to the studio first of all, and we picked up a couple of the equipment from here. We loaded it. We got onto site at around 9:10ish. Yeah, it was around 9:10ish.
A bit nervous, a bit anxious, but excited at the same time.
On Saturday we left around 9 a.m. Got at the site on time and set up our cameras. I was responsible with controlling the drone and also the other camera, which I was assisted by Sim. 4 p.m. was the time we kicked off with the shoot, as we were chasing after the golden hour. That was one of the very important scenery that we wanted, to have in the show. So there were some couples of challenges that we came across with, but we managed, to execute the shoot. Though my other drone accessories were on the other side, let me say on the other boat. So it was a bit challenging.
Firstly, the most important thing was we needed to have a look at safety of the venue. And I think that was the biggest concern because we were on a boat and it was not on land. And you know, when you're on land, everything is stable. When you're on a boat, it's rocking, you know? So that in itself was one of the things that was really on my mind, and I must say I was a bit so to say very nervous, because I didn't know what was going to happen. The conductance of electricity and water and all these things. And we started off by firstly loading off the entire equipment. After loading off the equipment, it was the power test, which was very, very important. We set up the drum kit, we set up the mic stands. Had a bit of challenge with the mic stands because the wind was blowing and stuff. So we were about 8 to 10 meters into the river, and power was coming from land. And our biggest worry was some crocodile coming to eat our cable in the water, or a fish nibbling on it and, you know, creating a power shot, and boom, this was going to put the entire building and our equipment at risk. Another very technical short moment that I enjoyed was the setting up of the banner on top of the roof of the boat. Just trying to get that alignment right for the drone shots. That was quite something very, you know, geometrically intense.
Mirror, mirror, who is the man? Me and my niggas separu kuyema. Kishigami tu musiga kuyema. Got a lot of freedom, shout out to Sam.
Shout out my gang, dream came true, we doing the thing. One time for the higher God, all the blessings that we sent from above.
Pull up with a squad, nigga kuema. Got an antidote, dude up on the window.
Eparu urero tundama mundema, with the most I ninge kutwema. Matungi kuna goto guana.
Odigu na genya tomana. Natombora sene kusana.
Oparu kengwendi muhona.
A squad is a blessing. Eparu kuyema. Musika kuyema. Big brains, we just pay what you see. A squad is a blessing. Eparu kuyema. Musika kuyema. We tailor by God as you see. Hey. Oh. Hey. Big brains, musika kuyema. Hey. Oh. Hey. We tailor by God as you see.
My name is Bisman. I'm the co-founder of Bisbrai. We are currently based in Rundu, but we travel the world just for Brai. We love Brai. You can hire us at your event, wedding, private parties, birthday parties. We come through, man. Give you good food straight from the grill. This is my assistant. His name is Rudolph, but everyone calls him Rudy, man. Because the girls love the food. Yeah, it does, man. So check us out on Instagram. The name is BeastBride_NA. Cell phone number is 085-211-2354. Adios.
Bisbana no ngoso kapto vena award wena ngoso. Oyo kuteza no style no glass no. Vamos na
Welcome, Rudy. Welcome. Hi. What do you do? Are we live? We live, baby. Yeah, we live. Lighting up the fire.
I then found that, you know, the setup and, you know, everything that the guys were doing there had really then gone at an advanced stage, and it was really at that time that I managed to really, you know, realize that we've actually now brought this dream, this idea that was really just a concept to life. And seeing, you know, Bisbrai on the grill doing his thing, seeing the production guys flying drones, setting up their cameras, Michael doing his thing, coordinating, the band sound checking, etc. Just really brought everything full circle to say this is what we wanted to do. We wanted to bring young people together from different walks of life, different skill sets, and to bring their skill sets together, to bring something unique, something creative, something different to to the market, and I was quite happy and inspired to see that we actually achieved it.
Yeah, we ready. About to kill this. What are you? What am I? I'm a sound engineer. That's what I do. That's my passion. I make sound.
What's up? What do you say?
Thank God for Friday. We still party on a Saturday. Rundu Beach Sunday station. Heading on the blue Monday. The boys are busy, gotta get money. The boys are busy, gotta get money. Busy, gotta get money. The boys are busy, gotta get the money. 2, 3, 4.
What Andy Fudge feels about what Rock the Boat is trying to do.
Finny, welcome your crew and to M.I.G. In the old days, we used to stay up a bit later on a Friday night, but nowadays we've got to make it earlier. So this is great for me. I enjoy this music. I've just heard them practicing a little bit here to polish up their act, and it sounds fantastic.
Definitely.
I would love to see the sunset video at the end. You're just so welcome. This really livens up the place.
Friday, we're gonna party all night. Got a little bit of booze in the rain, and we can do sunrise. Thank God for Friday, we're gonna party all night. Got a little bit of booze in the rain, and we can do sunrise. Thank God for a Friday, we still party on a Saturday. Rundu Beach Sunday sessions, and you know that we don't mind the boys are busy, gotta get the money. We can't wait for a Friday. God, and money's a Thursday. Wish Friday was a payday, but why not? It's a Friday night. We're getting lit tonight. Got a little bit of booze in the dream, and we keep the sunrise. Think about us going through the baby flowers. Deep talks, everybody nigga don't come. Young man on the Stone Age game, living life like we live again. Next Friday we do it again. We be working all night and day. We be pushing out the weekdays. Can't wait for the weekend. Thank God for Friday. We're gonna party all night. Got a little bit of booze in the rain, and we can do sunrise. Thank God for Friday.
English. Oh, you don't Kwangali here.
Dressed in me. The look was inspired by my father. He's a person who likes safari dressing, so I just put a bit of streetwear on it. As you can see, there's pockets, pocket hat, and all of that. Him as well, the same thing.
Yeah, right now I feel like an urban ninja rocking this M.I.G. Yeah, thanks for this right though.
You're welcome.
Oh, shout out high-end apparel, this A1 drip. I like it.
Gang gang.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Leonie. My brand is Renga. I don't really have a reason why I chose these colors. This was the main jacket, so I had to blend it in with everything.
Yeah, I go by the name Carlos M.I.G. I'm rocking Sirenga and Martin. These guys are beautiful. You see the brand? Very awesome. I like it.
Yeah, the drip, you know. Random. Yeah. Cover.
Combination. Shout out to Serenga. This is something else, bro. Much respect.
All right, so on the first episode of Rock the Boat, we have the mighty ill game, famously known as M.I.G. Gentlemen, you guys look swagged out. How are you guys doing, man?
Yeah, we're doing good. First of all, thanks for having us here, man.
Yeah.
You see the sun as well. We're eating good food. Shout out to Beast Bra.
Gentlemen, you guys have a new single out called Keep My Soul. It is doing crazy numbers on YouTube, man. I even see Noana Dorongo Azuva Monosel Dao Ogdimba Keep My Soul. Tell us, man, how does that make you feel?
As much as us creators love what we do, we did this song with love, and we expected people to love it out there.
Yeah, and one thing, I just appreciate the love that we're getting right now.
Yeah,
because the listeners and the supporters, they're just coming through together. I just appreciate the love, man.
Yeah. No, great stuff, man. I love it. I love the energy coming from that song. It's something that is very, very eccentric. It definitely stands out. But back to the topic at hand. We are doing the first episode of Rock the Boat with you guys. Mighty Ill Game, aka M.I.G. What I need to know is, what do you have in store for the people? Please tell me.
Yeah, we're honored to do the first, to be the first one to pave the way for this event, So yeah, we rocking the boat. Expect the wave.
The wave? Yeah, we expect the wave on the river. No, I like that. I definitely like that. Now, man, I definitely cannot wait to see you guys do your thing. Billy, you got something to share?
Yeah, I feel like the guys behind the scenes are underappreciated. We couldn't have had the boat and whatnot if it wasn't for you guys putting all these things together and whatnot. So a big shout out. Yeah, and respect to you guys. Let's keep
I know,
it
definitely. And a big shout out to Beast Bra for the grab. Bro. I see you guys getting your grab on. From here, we definitely hit the boat. And we do get to see you guys rock the boat.
Crazy hammocks on it.
Chakuli Ngandu, chakuli neha. Tango kondindire si munona na prepare. Had a nice meal for the day. The fish and cake go hand in hand. That's how you know I'm from the riverside. Try to step in the water and I'm a bite. Sama gaga. Daru turang and gaga. I'm on the ground for my work. You better check who you mess with, boy. Chakuli Ngandu, chakuli neha.
Yo, back then, we used to jump on stage with mics only, freestyle. But right now, we're so blessed. It's a Friday song, Friday mood, weekend. We got a band playing with us, M.I.G.
We working all night and day. We be pushing out on weekdays. Can't wait for the weekend. Thank God for Friday. We gonna party all night. Got a little bit of booze and green. And we do sunrise. Thank God for Friday. We gonna party all night. Sunrise, thank God for Friday. We're gonna party all night.
Rockin' the boat, we still rockin' the boat.
Okay, we're going again.
Living in the name of my eyes, keep up the Bible. My girl got like hands in the boot. I'm a boss.
Okay, ting all up for the culture. We gotta pack the lions. We gotta pack the lions.
Yo, before we do that,
The boat to me is special.
It's deep.
Rock the boat is lit, guys.
It's supernatural.
Everything right now to me.
It's lit.
It's a big deal.
I am chewing the drama.
No creeps, no blood, M.I.G, gang, 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 gang. No creeps, no blood, M.I.G, gang, 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 gang. No creeps, no blood, M.I.G, gang, 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 gang. No creeps, no blood, M.I.G, gang, 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 gang.